Hello everyone, this is Abaranjan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ultimate guide to use ChatGPT Chrome Extension to supercharge your PPC ad campaign with AI powered insights and automation. So, if you are struggling to get good amount of result from PPC ad campaign, this video is going to help you. And before proceeding further, I request you all to do subscribe my YouTube channel so that you never miss such an amazing, useful update about AI and digital marketing. So, first of all, I want to say that to utilize PPC ad campaign, you just need to have some Chrome extension. You can see on my desktop there are different kind of Chrome extension, which is helping me throughout. A Chrome extension is a powerful AI tool that integrate directly with your browser, allowing you to generate ad copies, analyze competition and optimize campaign in the form of PPC ad formation. So to proceed further, what people use generally, they have a chatgpt.com and they go with the basic prompt. Suppose write Google ad copy for brand, let's suppose ABC, that sells printed t-shirt. So they used to give the basic business behavior and the brand name, and just they go with click on the enter. They will get ad copies in the form of this. So this is the general formation of utilizing chat gpt for PPC campaign research part, PPC campaign ad copies formation part, analysis part. So this is the basic structure, but which people are using in general. You can see there is a three headline given and description and also a call to action. Further, with the help of different engagement, you can come up with some better result. But this is the basic structure what people are using. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install one very good Chrome extension, and after that you are going to have a very detailed examples of different PPC ad campaign structures and different PPC ad campaign prompts that will surely going to help you in your ad formation and all. So for this, what you need to do, you need to install one Chrome extension, AIPRM Chrome extension. Just click on Google AIPRM Chrome extension and AIPRM Chrome extension. Just go with Google. You will get the first link. Click on that. This extension is already installed on my device. You can see this black icon. This is the AIPRM. So right now it is coming removed from Chrome. In your case, it will come on. It will come as add to Chrome. Click on add extension and you will get the icon installed. After getting the icon installed, you will get click to verify with ChatGPT. Just go with that, and the extension will automatically get installed on your Chrome device. This is the basic one time process. You can go with this video also, or I have made a separate video on how to utilize AIPRM on your Chrome extension in my playlist. Go with that and watch the video. So after getting this extension, what you will get Chrome extension like this, chat gpt like this. After installing AIPRM, you are going to get chat gpt prompt, and these are 5265 plus. At the time of recording this video, it gets usually increasing day by day. Many chat gpt prompts are coming over the AIPRM dashboard in the coming time. So you are going to get from here, you are going to get different prompts for different purpose. Let's suppose I want a prompt for Google ad. So I will go with the search box and I will type Google ads, and here you can see 41 prompts, which is totally dedicated to Google ads. And the prompts are Google ad headline and description generator, Google ad prompt for skyrocket performance, 7 click worthy killer, Google ad digital marketing, Google ad keyword headline, Google ad responsive search, profitable Google ad campaign maker, one click Google ad target audience, perfect Google ad headline and description. So there are different, Google ad for keyword strategy, different actions, different, needs. There are prompts available, so more than 41 prompts are available. So let's suppose I want to utilize any one of them prompt, then I just need to click on this. Suppose I want to utilize this prompt, Google ads headline and description. So I just click on that. When you click on that, your extension will, attach with the input segment, and here you are just going to ask add your topic or keyword. So ABC brand selling, and see the difference. What is the difference coming up? So selling printed t-shirts. So here is the description, and the best thing is that it come up with the ideal format. Means headline should be well suited, in terms of character limit, in terms of everything, and not one two or something. It will give you, different headlines. You can utilize with long form of or short form of headlines and descriptions, which is in the character limit. You can utilize from these, you can utilize from these, and it will give you around 30 plus headlines and 30 plus description in your cases, which you can utilize in your, Google ad practices. So very important things, when you have a confusion, when you have a limitation of resources, ChatGPT extension will going to help you out. It will give you a detailed, kind of headline and description. You can see different kind of headlines it is coming, because the result is optimized in a way. It is planned in a way that prompt has been designed. So prompt already have taken up, deep concern about the, input. So the prompt engineer who has made this prompt has taken everything in his record while making the prompt. So right now the output which you are getting is different from the basic ChatGPT prompt, that we used to type more often. So this is the thing that we need to understand. So if you are using Chrome extension, you are already 100 step ahead from your competitor, because you have a, 100 other, options to utilize. Let's suppose I have utilized three, headlines, three description, which is in one ad copies, and then I have utilized three. Then we have a variation. We are utilizing different ad copies, different headlines. So this is the thing that will make you to, stand out in this competitive ad market. So this is the thing that he needs to utilize. Let's suppose I have to use one click Google at target audience. So I will click on that, and let's suppose Ruxel in New Jersey. Let me, analyze the target audience. So I have a rug sell. I used to sell rugs in New Jersey, and I have asked with another prompt from AIPRM that how or what is our audience in this, business niche. So let's see what AIPRM Chrome extension is doing for me. Yeah, very good. So it has given the target audience segment like homeowners, renters, interior designers, and home stressors, home new homeowners, first time buyers. So you can see demographics, interest, behavior, everything it has classified to me. So this is the thing. More often we used to utilize all these thing with our, intelligence, but somehow we missed many things that is needed for our PPC ad campaign. So if you are utilizing AI in getting all these thing, you are going to get the best result. And after giving a hint of your audience, it will come up with basic ad structure where you are going to have a, campaign. Then you are going to have a target audience, keyword, ad copy, everything. So the problem is solved. You have everything. Even a basic, person who has a, very light knowledge of Google ad can go with Google ad campaign if he utilize all the step that has been described here. So this is the thing that you need to understand. And I used to make such video, on very, in very detailed way. So if you are just following my content, you are going to win the race, you are going to get, things done in your way. So this is my motive. The motive is very simple: to educate people in terms of AI, in terms of digital marketing. So I just request you all to do subscribe to my channel, keep liking the video. If you are very concerned, they raise in the comment segment. I am ready to help you out, and I will definitely make you aware about latest thing in AI in my coming video. So stay tuned. I will be, coming with a very important video again. Thank you for watching.